Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to take you over to Facebook and I'm going to show you how to find the entire list of your top fans. That's right. If you don't know how to turn your top fans on, or if you have that option, we have a video that we'll link to for that. So in this video, I'm going to assume you've turned on your top fan badges. You already have been using them for a while, but you want to know who's on that list. Sure, you can see when someone comments, it'll have the little top fan badge next to their name, but maybe you just want to see the whole list of them. If you've got a local business and you're seeing people that come into your store quite often, maybe you want to send them a message and say, hey, you've been a top fan, and next time you're in, dessert's on me. Or maybe you have a coupon code you'd like to send them to your offline store as a thank you for being a top fan. There's a million things you can do with this, so it'll be handy to see. Not only can you see that entire list, while we're there, I'm going to also show you how you can take that badge away. Or maybe you can ban that person. Yeah, sometimes people use the top fan with fake profiles, or they're just spamming you, and you either want to take that badge away because you really don't want them recognized on your page, or maybe you just want to ban them because they're being such a pain in the... Yeah, you know. So let's go over to Facebook and take a look at how we do this. Okay, so here we are on my Off the Jacks Facebook page, and we're going to go over and we're going to go to the left-hand menu, and we are going to look for Community. And it's right down here. Depending on how you have your tabs lined up will depend on where it's at in this list. Now, as you can see, right here we have top contributors, and this is updated weekly so you can manage your list. So if we go down here, we're going to see our top contributors. You can go down and see all, and that will expand your list. Okay, here we are. Now what we can do is go to the three buttons on the left of the name, click it, and you can either remove top contributor badge or you can ban them. I would suggest you be very careful with banning people, but you can do it, or you can just remove their badge. Now, as I said, when you open this up, you're going to see top contributor for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks. It's going to go through and show you who these people are, and you can keep doing see more for as long as your list is. So it's just that easy. You come over to the left-hand side, you find your community button, and there it is, your complete list of top contributors or top fans. And that's also how you can take a badge away, or you can ban them. Okay, so now you know how to find your list of top fans. And I want you to go down in the comments and give us your ideas on what you can do with your top fan list. How would you reward them, or what ideas do you have? Because that's part of being a community, is sharing with everyone else some good ideas. So do that. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.